At Tranter, we provide personal, professional and competitive fire and security solutions to customers across all commercial and industrial sectors throughout the Midlands. From fire alarms to tailor-made CCTV security systems, we work with you to develop and maintain an individualised plan to protect your premises, staff and clients. Our highly trained team has years of experience in fire and security system design and servicing and are always on hand to offer advice and guidance. At Tranter, we have all your fire prevention and security needs covered. As a family-run business, we're with you every step of the way, from design right through to the installation and maintenance of your security or fire alarm system. We offer free fire and security surveys. So call us today or visit our website to find out more.